Be a lot of where?
You're right, you can't move.
Oh my God! There's,
Just go and cross it.
there should be a mother on that one.
Hey?
There should be a mother.
There's
I
no
will
mother.
not go near it, but
Hey?
I'm sure. So what? What are they eating here? Look, the head is looking at me.
Yeah, that's right.
That one there. Oh, that is long one.
That's only a small one.
There's a baby.
Yeah.
Oh, there should be a mother out there that may be behind that.
Oh, we had a real big one,
You saw before. Oh, I don't want to get in here.
yeah. Hey, there's nothing, they can't move quick. They can't move quick, there's nothing here.
Oh, shucks. They're around, they're getting... Where is this one hiding before? So I always had a feeling that there's snake inside here. Could be on that mat there.
Hey?
There's black mat. No. I think it's a bit long. I think it's 1 meter long, isn't it?
Be about a metre, it's only tiny.
Oh, shucks.
The other one up near the house was as thick as my arm.
Really? Oh, shucks.